the time I'm waiting you to answer the
This is the correct procedure how to make sticky rice. So, inano ko siya ni steam. This is glutinous rice. May water pa. Gata or yung nasa can na coconut milk. Then, dahil wala yung normal na mango, itong ganito na lang kasi hindi na season ng mango ngayon. Then, instead of sugar, condensed na lang ang gagamitin ko. So, ayan. So, ayan, ilagay ko na yung 2 cans of coconut milk. Then, lalagay ko ulit yung condensed na isa. Tapos, isi-simmer ko siya for maybe 10 minutes in a medium flame. So, ayan, niluto ko siya sa mahinang apoy. After ko hihalo yung milk condensed at saka mango. So ito naman yung toppings niya. Yung coconut milk at saka mango and condensed. Hindi ko inubos yung isang condensed, half lang yung nilagay ko. So ayan na, tapos na yung sticky rice. Mango sticky rice.